Welcome back to Bodybox Live. Today I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Avast Premium Security. As you can see, Avast can't let you uninstall from the PC settings. But I have found the easy way to uninstall Avast Premium Security. Open up Google. Now search for Avast Uninstall Utilities. Click on the first website. Now download Avast Clear.exe. Simply open the application. Wait for until it loads. You will have two options to uninstall Avast Premium Security. First one is safe mode, or second one is you can do it from here. So I'm gonna choose the second one. To wait for some minutes. After that, simply click on Restart Computer button and then Avast Premium Security will be uninstalled.